This tutorial will show you how to make this Floral Mobile, which is perfect for a baby nursery. First, I'm going to cut strips from a paper bag in order for me to make the base ring. I bought about 5 of these wired headbands, and for the first one I'm going to take the flowers off and sellotape the wire to the paper. If your paper ring is sturdy, this part isn't necessary. I just wanted to make sure that mine would hold well. Next, I'm wrapping ribbon around the entire ring. I had a roll of this ribbon for my wedding DIY, but I hardly used it, so I thought I'd use it now so it doesn't go to waste. Now this is the fun part. The next headband will be glued to the ring as it is, and for all the other headbands I will cut them in half and wrap them around the ring, gluing where needed. So I'm making this video because I'm currently decorating my daughter's nursery. She's 12 weeks old now and she's been sleeping through the night since she was about 6 weeks old. So once the decoration is done, we will let her sleep in her nursery by herself. Once her nursery is complete, I might do a tour of the room. It depends how I feel about it nearer the time. I'm also a first-time mum with absolutely no prior experience with newborns, so I might do a couple of videos with my embarrassing stories so far, and trust me, there are so many. And I also might do one talking about my experience with labour, because for me, even though I was in labour for 3 days, it was nowhere near as traumatic as people made me believe. And I also took no pain relief up until the point where I had to have an emergency C-section, so hopefully I'll get a chance to film that soon. So here I have these Swarovski crystals which I will hang from the mobile using nylon thread. I got this idea from Pinterest, however after making this whole project I realized that even though it looks pretty, it's not practical to hang over a crib, because if for whatever reason one of these crystals decides to fall, it would be a choking hazard, so I might either cut them off or hang the mobile in another part of the room. I also use the nylon thread to tie it to 4 parts of the circle so I can hang it from the ceiling, so that it can look like it's floating rather than being tied to something. So that's it for this DIY. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more DIYs.